They say that the Nigeria army don't finally accept that Gumi and his client will be Fulani Heřdsmán demo. He say right now they be terror. No be smart, you know. He don't start the red. As we dey happen, now one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside for this video. Come talk say na only Nigeria na be say if you do good, you be evil person, and if you do bad, he be good person. Say for that reason, he say they no go keep their ammo. He say their gun go dey up every minute, every day. Now I can say here, this one go red though. As that one dey happen, they say one woman don't come outside. He come blast Simon Ekpa over the BiafraCoin wey he come talk say if you use and buy something for China market oh. Come see wetin this woman talk. However, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome, my people. I beg, I want you to share this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to follow. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter. How it they happen today? As it be like this now, they say Nigeria may don't call chain, give Gumi and this thing Fulani Heřdsmán demo. He say like this, he say they be territorial and they go treat them like a territorial as it be for this last one. Oh, now I can say this one they happen for here. Finally, you don't accept. Okay, my people, I go play you the video. May you watch before we quickly come back. Oh, can continue. We'll get a lot of story to hear today. Watch the video.
These are terrorists and not bandits. They are holding these citizens against their will and against all norms of human behavior and against the laws of armed conflict. Recently, cases of citizens being abducted in theaters of operations in the northeast, northwest, and north central were recorded. These citizens were abducted by a brutal and bloodthirsty group that should be addressed as terrorists and not bandits. I repeat, these are terrorists and not bandits. They are holding these citizens against their will and against all norms of human behavior and against the laws of armed conflict.
My wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them. Since now this government they paint them white, they go catch them, carry them, put for inside police, inside the army. Nah. They go for ISO, go catch IPOB. Say na IPOB na terror. They carry the IPOB, my issue na Sanko. They put them for in head though, for inside Greek. Now so you no go see them again. Finally, it don't they happen for their eyes. And they don't accept, say these people, they be terrorists. But however, let's proceed. And let me bring you waiting the Biafra Liberation Army can reply for inside this video. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
No, that Nigeria is the only country where bad leader will contribute money to the government to bring military to come and kill the good leaders. Are you aware that Nigeria is the only country where when you speak truth, it becomes a speech? Are you really informed that Nigeria is the only country in Africa that speaking truth become a threat to a nation? Are you aware that Nigeria is the only country where education, those who are educated, are nowhere to be found contributing to any growth of the nation? Only illiterate and terrorists, like politicians. The fastest way to make money in Nigeria is becoming either a terrorist or a politician. Just like the way Boko Haram and Isma are operating in the north. They will enter into the school and kidnap the school children. When they kidnap, they find somebody to, their spokesperson will tell them that Nigeria need to pay so amount, billion, before they can release the victim. government will do that. When Boko Haram kidnap the Nigerian citizen, they will demand for ransom, and Nigeria government will pay. Are you aware that when Nigeria government still arrest those Boko Haram, instead of executing them, they will see put them back to army or any uniform force in Nigeria? Why such country will not break down? A country that full of fake people, a country that have never exist, that was exist by force. By force. Why will such country continue? Nigeria is the only country that cannot withstand the truth. When you speak truth in Nigeria, you die. Nigeria is the only country where the evil elders will contribute money to the government to come and kill the good leaders, the good elders. Nigeria is the only country whereby when you stand up to fight for your rights, they attack you terrorists and come with army to kill you. Tell me, why will such country exist? You are asking, why are we doing what we are doing? We say evil must be destroyed. And that evil is Nigeria. Nigeria is evil. And we forbid Nigeria. There is nothing you can do about it. We say no to Nigeria. Say no to Nigeria simply means say no to untimely death. Say no to poverty. Say no to sovereign. Say no to killing innocent citizens. Say no to ethnic cleansing. Say no. When you say no to Nigeria, you are saying no to Islamization. When you say no to Nigeria, you are saying no to poverty. When you say no to Nigeria, you are equally saying no to untimely death. That is why we Biafrans say no to Nigeria. And we urge the world to rise up and join this voice by saying no to Nigeria. But it doesn't matter whether the world join us or not. We have took our ground and nobody can take us back. We will remain saying no to Nigeria until Biafra exists. We say no to Nigeria. Our forefathers said no to Nigeria. Our fathers said no to Nigeria. We will bring Nigeria to an end. Yes, because we say no to Nigeria. Biafra all the way.
Welcome back, my people. As you don't hear that, we ain't talk for that place. No be small thing. It don't explain how these people, how bad this government be. But however, as this one they happen, ma play this video. May you hear wetin this woman come outside the contest Simon Ekpa regarding the coin we in lodge and the tweet where he made say if you use am buy something for inside China. Watch the video.
Simon Ekpa, the self-acclaimed Prime Minister of Biafra, has created a Biafran coin. According to him, this Biafran coin, you can use it to buy any goods in China. Hey, look at what he posted on his Twitter handle. So he said, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. You can now use Biafran coin to buy goods in China. Those asking about using Biafran coin to purchase goods in China, yes. Biafran coin can be used to buy goods in China as long as the seller in China has wallet. You need to inform them. You are paying with Biafran coin, which is IUSD, which is $1 is equals to. Anyway, let's continue. Biafran coin is live on the blockchain, and at this time it is not on exchange because we want to control the value of the coin until further notice. Simon Ekpa, you want to control the value of the coin until further notice. Stop deceiving people. Stop fooling these people. Many of them are not literate enough. Which one be BiafraCoin? That you can use BiafraCoin to buy goods in China? And BiafraCoin, one BiafraCoin is equivalent to one. And if you see, the reason why I post, you can see that's his handle. I post because a lot of people is going to say you are lying, lying. You people can confirm that is Simon Ekpa handle. And if you go to the comment section, some people believed, like some gullible people believe this. What is BiafraCoin? How can you? Oh my goodness! Can you even buy goods in China with naira? Let alone BiafraCoin, the country that has that's not been approved yet. That hasn't even gotten the independent. Come on, Simon, come on. Why in fact, why do I feel like this step of Simon Ekpa? He released this few hours after defensive headquarters declared him wanted. Why is he trying to prove to the people who accuse him of being a fraud, or people who accuse him of just a businessman? Because this move seems like he's more like a businessman that fight. My opinion, don't insult. If you insult me, I go block you. What I'm saying is my opinion. And I'm going to say what I want to say. Why am I having that feeling that he's more like a businessman than fighting for the freedom of... Anyway, what did you think about this BiafraCoin that you can purchase goods in China? Like the BiafraCoin even has more value than other currencies, even naira and so many currencies, because according to him, BiafraCoin is the equivalent to $1. One BiafraCoin is equivalent to $1. Anyway, what do you think? I don't have much to say on this matter. Comment your opinion. That thing you want make I talk. I don't go talk. I want you to comment section is free. Go there and express your freedom. Your right of freedom of speech. Okay? Comment your opinion at the comment section and see you on my next upload. Bye.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch this video, please share and also leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important, because as you subscribe, more people go to troop in, so that they feed the comment put as well. Because any house where they body it need bozayo, so that everywhere go chira loco. My people, I beg, may you leave your own opinion for inside these videos where we don't show you, and do not forget to share.